Assalamualaikum students, welcome to MD CAT with Salman. First MCQs, the specific inhibitor that binds to cytochrome C oxidase in the electron transport chain is correct option B, cyanide. Next MCQ, during DNA replication, the enzyme responsible for removing RNA primers and replacing them with DNA is correct option A, DNA polymerase 1. Next MCQ is the process by which protein are targeted to lysosomes involves correct option C, addition of mannose 6 phosphate. Next MCQs, in the lac operon, when both glucose and lactose are present, so operon is fully induced, operon is repressed, only basal level expression occurs, operon is permanently turned off. So correct option है C, only basal level expressions occur. Next MCQ, the specific type of RNA interference that involves endogenous small RNAs is, so correct option B, miRNA. Next, the phase of meiosis where synaptonemal complex formation occur is correct option B, zygotene. Next MCQs, the enzyme that catalyzes the formation of peptide bonds during protein synthesis is, so correct option A, peptidyl transferase. Next MCQs, the specific mechanism of ATP synthesis in chloroplast is during photosynthesis is, so correct option C, photophosphorylation. Next MCQs, the organelle responsible for synthesis of most membrane phospholipid is correct option B, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next MCQs, the process by which cell export large molecule via vesicle fusion with plasma membrane is correct option C, exocytosis. Next MCQs, the specific type of cell junctions that allows direct communication between adjacent cells is correct option B, gap junction. Next MCQs, the enzyme that unwinds DNA double helix during replication is correct option A, helicase. Next MCQs, the process by which messenger RNA is processed with addition of 5 gap and 3 poly A tail occurs in correct option A, nucleus. Next MCQ is the specific mechanism that ensures fidelity during DNA replication is correct option A, 3 to 5 exonuclease activity. Next MCQ is the organelle that contains catalase enzyme for detoxification of hydrogen peroxide is correct option A, peroxisome. Next MCQs, in a dihybrid cross, the probability of obtaining offspring with both recessive traits is, so correct option है A, 1/16. Next MCQ, the phenomenon where expression of one gene makes the effect of another gene is called, so correct option B, epistasis. Next MCQ, the type of mutation that result in the premature stop codon is, so correct option B, nonsense mutation. Next MCQs, the process by which bacteria exchange genetic material through direct contact is, so correct option C, conjugation. Next MCQs, the specific enzyme used in PCR that is thermostable, correct option B, Taq polymerase. Next MCQs, in Hardy-Weinberg equation, the frequency of heterozygous individual is given by correct option C, 2pq. Next MCQs, the genetic disorder caused by expansion of trinucleotide repeats is, so correct option B, Huntington's disease. Next MCQs, the process by which RNA is synthesized from DNA template is called, correct option है हमारे पास B, transcription. Next MCQs, the specific type of selection that favors extreme phenotype over intermediate ones is, so correct option C, disruptive selection. Next MCQ is the enzyme that joins Okazaki fragment during DNA replication is, so correct option D, ligase. Next MCQ is the process by which messenger RNA decoded to produce protein is called, correct option B, translation. Next MCQ is the specific structure that protects chromosome ends from degradation is, correct option B, telomere. Next MCQ is the type of RNA that carries amino acid to the ribosome is, so correct option B, transfer RNA. Next MCQs, the process by which genetic information flows from DNA to RNA to protein is called, correct option A, central dogma. Next MCQs, the specific enzyme that synthesizes RNA primer during DNA replication is, correct option B, primase. Next MCQs, the hormone that stimulates red blood cell production in the bone marrow is, correct option A, erythropoietin. Next MCQs, the specific cells in gastric glands that produce hydrochloric acids are, correct option B, parietal cells. Next MCQs, the part of nephrons where most water reabsorption occur is, correct option B, proximal convoluted tubule. Next MCQs, neurotransmitter released at neuromuscular junction is, so correct option A, acetylcholine. Next MCQs, the hormone that decreases blood calcium level is, correct option B, calcitonin. Next MCQs, the specific type of immunity involving T cell destroying infected cell is, correct option B, cell mediated immunity. Next MCQs, the part of brain that regulate body temperature and hunger is, correct option C, hypothalamus. Next MCQs, the process by which white cell move through capillary walls is called, correct option A, diapedesis. Next MCQs, the hormone that stimulates uterine contraction during labor is, correct option A, oxytocin. Next MCQs, the specific cells in pancreas that produce insulin are, correct option B, beta cell. Next MCQs, the specific relationship where one organism benefits the other is unaffected, correct option B, commensalism. Next MCQ, process by which nitrogen is converted to ammonia by bacteria is, so correct option C, nitrogen fixation. Next MCQ, the type of succession that begins on bare rock is, correct option A, primary succession. Next MCQ, specific level of ecological organization that includes all living organisms in an area is, correct option B, community. Next MCQs, the process by which energy is transferred between trophic level is approximately, correct option D, 10%. Next MCQs, the phenomenon where two species evolve in response to each other is called, correct option C, coevolution. Next MCQs, the specific type of natural selection that favors intermediate phenotype is, correct option A, stabilizing selection. Next MCQs, the ultimate source of energy in most ecosystem is, correct option C, solar energy. Next MCQs, the variety of life in an ecosystem is called, correct option B, biodiversity. Next MCQs, the process by which water moves through plant from roots to leaves is called, so correct option A, transpiration.